stage that we have to learn today. So just put your attention on top of the head. These meditations will not be work without desire. So just close your eyes, attention on the top of the head, and just say in your heart, Mother, can you please give me a complete thoughtlessness awareness stage called Yoga Samadhi? Mother, today's meditation, please help me to achieve this joyous stage called Yoga Samadhi. Mother, please remove all the obstacles to achieve this stage called witness. If you have just desire, just put your hand and sit down, close your eyes. Just put attention on top of the head. Just have a desire. Desire is very important. It's called pure desire. And only pure desire can fulfill by divine. All other desire is it's called illusion in the law of divine. And if you have pure desire that you want to achieve your thoughtlessness awareness stage, the Kundalini energy will help you. She remove all the illusion from each and every chakras. She will remove all the obstacles throughout this journey, which is start within. This is the way we can go through our journey. So let's start our journey by closing the door from hell. So I just told you the first chakra is locating in the base of your spine, where your body touches to the ground or the chair, which is the place in the middle, the base of spine, is Muladhara chakra. If this chakra is not all right, your journey will go towards to hell. That's the reason people are not innocent. People not have any purity in their eyes or their beware. Or people don't have any wisdom. They will go or they can live very they can live their life as a like a hell. No satisfaction, no love, domination, not purify any relation. The hell. That's the reason Sahaja Yoga meditation, the first chakra, it's called Muladhara, is very important. If this chakra is not all right, nobody can sit this meditation at more than 10 minutes. And this chakra is all right, like a children. That's the reason when we saw the children, we feel very joyous. So we have to become the same. So just put your both the hand towards to ground or on the ground where you sit on the earth. Finger towards to ground if you sit on the chair. Just say in your heart, Mother, please remove all the heaviness, all the negative energy, and all the aggressions from my right and left side, from my past or from my future, thinking it's coming. Please remove it. Please remove it. Just put your attention on both the hand which is towards to ground or on the ground. Just watch both the hand fingers. Just watch in the left hand or right hand you feel more tingling in the finger area. First we can say, Mother, please remove all the emotional problem from my left side, all the worries, all the fear, all the conditioning, all the unhappiness, all the laziness. She absorbed from this Mother Earth. And we can just, if you have more tingling on the right side, on the fingers, just say, Mother, please remove all the domination to other, all the aggressive nature, all the anger, and all the ego from my right channel. All the demon forces, which is called sixth enemy, which is established in my right side, please remove it. Please remove it. Please remove it. If any one side is in imbalance, then you can see your life will be not satisfied at all. First, we can balance and just say, Mother, please balance my both the channel. Please balance my both the channel. Just watch your just watch your both the fingers, both the hand fingers. Slowly, slowly the this earth element absorb all the negative energy from you. That's the reason during the meditation, the earth contact is very important. Now we'll put our attention on the base of spine, where your body touches the chair or the ground, which is called the first chakra, called Muladhara. This chakra have four petals, which is opening the four direction: left, right, bottom, and up. The bottom direction is opening to the door of the hell. The purity is the source or the quality of the chakra. Purity is very important to open this energy. Just put attention on your base of spine. Just say, Mother, please give me the four quality from four dimension, four direction, are called four dimensions of this chakra. The left side you will get the innocent, like a child, no hatred, forgiving others like a child. The bottom you will get the purity. So forget about your past life. If you are not impure, your life is impure. Forget it. But now, just say, I want purity in my life. So if you just ask, the door of the hell is closed. On the right side, you will get the quality how to rid of the six enemies. It's called all the angers, illusion, greed, lust. Because of the sixth enemy, you will get the anger. Just ask Mother, please kill or please remove all the enemies from my first chakra called Muladhara. And the upper part of this petals, which is opening upper direction, which is start to your spinal cord. Kundalini start rising through that petals, which is called wisdom. So Mother, please give me a wisdom so that I can identify what is good for me or what is bad for me. I can distinguish through my wisdom. If your first chakra will open, you will get these four type of quality. So see the power. To opening the chakra is not only simple, but give a power and remove all the problem of this area of your Muladhara chakra. So just say, Mother, please open my Muladhara chakra and give me this four quality so I can go with this journey through satisfaction, peace and joy in my throughout the life. And just put your both hand on the lap. Attention always on the base of spine. During this meditation, sometimes you can feel the vibration on top of the head, the sensation on top of the head will increase. Sometimes you can feel the base of spine or the spinal cord, you can feel particular chakra, the sensation, the cool breeze on your spinal cord. If this chakra is absolutely strong in your subtle system, you can feel more vibration on your spinal cord. And slowly, you can feel your vibrations are increasing on your palm. So let's try to chart our journey with the purify, innocent way, with having wisdom. This is the this is the good for me to opening all the chakra, and I have power without ego. We have to say that. And let's see to start our journey from first chakra, which is the four petals. The color is or red or orange. It's little bit orange red. Now slowly put your right hand on your lower abdomen area, which is below your navel, below the stomach, and put attention on the spinal cord. Behind your right hand is placed on the lower abdomen area. You have to put attention on the spinal cord throughout that area. the below abdomen. Here is the second chakra, it's called Swadhisthana. And here is the sixth petal, its color is yellow. Just put attention there and just say, Mother, please remove all the negative energy from my Swadhisthana chakra. Please give me a pure knowledge, which is the knowledge of subtle system. This is not a knowledge from the book. This is the knowledge that you can identify what is pure, impure, what is good and bad for you. Through your experience, you can collect this pure knowledge. And please give me a pure attention. If your attention is enlightened, so you just put your attention through any part of the nature, the things will be work out. This is called divine attention. So just say, Mother, please give me pure attention with pure knowledge and give me a creativity so I can use this creative power to make my life joyous and peaceful. You will be amazed when this second chakra is open, you become so creative in your life. You can solve every problems which is ahead in your life through this creativity, the power of this Swadhisthana chakra. Mother, please open my Swadhisthana chakra and give me a blessing with the pure knowledge and pure attention. Just put attention on your left palm and watch your vibrations, sensations, or the feelings on your left hand, which is increasing or not. Because this Kundalini energy start rising, if you desire the pure attention, she remove all the impure attention and impure knowledge within you. If you don't have any desire, then she will not be proceed. So just have desire. Please give me pure knowledge and pure attention and give me a power of the chakra called creativity. This energy plexus is awakened within you. So we'll put our right hand on your navel area, which is the third chakra. It's called Nabhi. You have to put attention on the navel area and behind the navel area, which is the spinal cord, where you can feel the sensations, vibrations. This energy start rising from left and then go right. Remove the blockages. That's the reason sometimes you can feel warm, sometimes you can feel cool, but sensation is increasing by opening your chakra. Mother, please open my Nabhi chakra. Please remove all the negative energy from my Nabhi chakra. So Nabhi chakra is very important to give you satisfaction and peace from your family, from your job, career, or money. It will make you satisfied. It will not achieve by the richest person in the world. He will not be satisfied. So what is the use of having money? What is the use of family? A lot of people have more person in the family, they are also not satisfied. Because satisfaction will not be happen outside. Satisfaction only happen if you open the chakra internally. Automatically you will feel you are satisfied and peaceful in your life. So just say, Mother, please give me a complete satisfaction and peace Whichever family I have, whichever money I have, whichever career or job I have, please make me complete satisfaction with my current premises. This is your desire. Then Kundalini start opening the chakra, which is the 10 petals of the chakra. The color is the sky blue. Sorry, this color is the green. And until the chakra, all the 99% of people not able to cross this chakra because of this illusion word. Just say, Mother, please the worries about my families. Please remove all the planning about my future job, money, and career, and provide me the complete satisfaction and peace with the current premises. And you will be amazed. This energy is willing to give you, but you not ask. Then you can just open the chakra and see the miracle in your life. It's not I'm saying, it's the experience you have to collect. Just ask the satisfaction because you are purified and innocent person. If you have a pure knowledge and pure attention, and if you have satisfaction and peace, then your journey, or this is the area surround this Nabi chakra, it's called Bhavsagra in Sanskrit. In the English, it's called as the illusion of the sea. All people will not able to cross this area because this is the design made by the God that you have to just join with this collective power. That is Kundalini make a bridge that you can cross this illusion world and you can go further with this crossing this bridge. It's called Bhavsagra. Just say, Mother, please remove all the knowledge from the false guru. Or please remove all the negative energy which is carry from my past life, which I visited any false guru who took money from me for this knowledge. Because this knowledge is always free of cost. It's your knowledge. And if you wait for this knowledge to any false person, so he just disturb your Bhavsagra settings. Bhavsagra's chakra or center, then you always in the illusion. So just say, Mother, please make me my own master so I can live with my 10 religions, or we can say the 10 commandments of the Bible, or we can say the 10 gurus which is appear in the earth who teach us how religiously life I have. So just say, Mother, please awaken the Guru principle within me and make me my own master with complete satisfaction and peace. Just put your right hand on your center heart. Eyes should be closed. The Kundalini start rising. If you are a purified person, if you have creativity, if you have satisfaction and peace, you know you are your own master, then you don't have any fear. So this is the fifth chakra. It's called heart chakra, or it's called Anahat chakra. And this is the chakra is very important because this chakra is producing the antibodies. Or if this chakra is open, whatever antibodies you have, whatever immune system you have, immunity you have, it will carry throughout your life. So this is the beauty of this chakra. As a medical science, the age of the 12, only antibodies created, and it is start reducing as per your age. So when you open the chakra, you get a power from divine. It's a protection power, and then you have a more antibodies and immunity that you can fight with any virus which is attacking you. So just say, Mother, please open my heart completely. Please remove all the fear in my life or in my body I have. Because I know I am connected with this divine and divine protect me. This is the faith you have. Whatever divine you believe, if you don't have any faith, this chakra will not be open. This is the chakra of the universal mother, and she mother always protect her child or son or daughter. So just ask the protection. Mother, I know you are protecting me, so I don't have any fear. But in the background, you have a love for everyone. So no hatred in my life. I forgive. I love everyone because my mother love everyone, which is universal mother. So please open my heart chakra completely. Please feel the divine love in my heart, and I can spread this divine love through my all the connection. If you really open this chakra, the first feedback will be come from your immediate family that you change, you so loving, you so humble, you so satisfaction, and if you not have any fear. So this is the power of this all the chakras and plexus established within you. Because this antibodies is start producing until age of 12, but after that, or today for example, if you have 50% antibodies, you will be carry 50% throughout life if you open the chakra always. How to open that type of meditation we are doing now? Just say, Mother, please open my heart and awaken all the divine power within my heart and kill all the fear, kill all the hatred within me, make me loving, humble, and fearful person. I told you desire is your power. Your affirmation is the feeling of the desire. If you desire, then you will be connected always. And just watch your left hand palm or top of the head, and just watch the vibrations are increased or not. The sensation are increasing or not. Because more energy flowing through your chakras, there is no obstacles. There is a little bit obstacle, that's the reason you feel warm, but need to be feel vibrations are increasing. That means you are you are doing this meditation from depth of heart. So just hold your throat completely from front side, and attention should be on throat or the back side of throat on the neck. Wherever you possible, just put it. Not hold. Little bit put attention on your right hand is important. Just hold your neck or throat from front side. that the vibrations are flowing through your hand. So it's to clear out your chakras. So just say, Mother, please open my fifth chakra called Vishuddhi chakra. Heart was fourth. This is was fifth. It is called throat chakra or the Vishuddhi in Sanskrit. This is the chakra have 16 petals. Heart have 12 petals. The color of the heart is red, and here the petals are 16. The color of the chakra is the sky blue. So that's the reason the element is sky for the chakra. So just open your neck little bit upward, little bit, so you can see the eyes on the sky. Not more, little bit. Just say, Mother, please clear my Vishuddhi chakra by removing all the guilt which is carry in my left side, and please remove all the aggressions which is from my right side. I saw, as per my experience, in the Western countries, this chakra is 90% people have the block on the chakra. The nature is that they react aggressive inside or outside, and again they feel guilty. Why I did that mistake? This is the normal behavior of this Western life, what I experience here in Germany. But it's really important. Don't forget what you did mistake in the past. Means you have to not repeat, but forgive yourself. Okay, I will not repeat that mistake. I forgive myself because I am a human being. Just say, Mother, please open the 16,000 powers in within, because the chakra is connecting to the Sahasrara chakra, which is having 1000 petals. 1000 into 16 is 16,000 times power you get. See the power of this chakra, and this chakra is only available at the human being. The animal have only four chakra because their body in the horizontal way and our body in the vertical way. If this chakra is open, then the God can identify the difference between animal and human being. Other than it's not possible. So this chakra is very important to open. Just say, Mother, I am not feel guilty and I will not be aggressive because I am purified. I have innocent. I have no hatred. I have pure knowledge. And I know what is religious life. So why I react you? So I will not be reactive anymore. So please clear my Vishuddhi chakra, removing all the negative energy from my left and right side. Open my Vishuddhi chakra completely. This is the chakra. It's make you connect with this divine energy. And if the chakra is open, you feel more vibrations are flowing on your hand. So just put your right hand on the lap and just watch your both the hand and just watch and meditate for 2 minutes. Just watch your both the hand, then we will go further. And if you not feel more vibrations, just say, Mother, I am not feel guilty. I will not be make aggressive in future. So please remove all the negative energy. Clear my Vishuddhi chakra. Remove all the negative energy from my throat chakra. You can't believe it, but this Vishuddhi chakra is clear. Those people have thyroid problem. Lot of diseases appear this Vishuddhi chakra. It will take care of your the power of eyes that you can see the outside, the nose, the throat, the teeth, ear, all the internal being it will taken care of this Vishuddhi chakra. This chakra is open, your eyesight will be increased, your hearing capability will be increased, your sinus will be problem will be removed. Lot of impact, lot of benefits. Only opening the chakra and how to open. Just have pure knowledge. Mother, I'm not feel guilty because I know this is my rebirth, and I will not be aggressive further because I know that how to satisfy in my life. And this chakra will give you the witness stage, which is we have to achieve. If you learn how to not react, the chakra will be all right. And after reaction, you have to forgive yourself. This is also very important. Just watch your both the hand. If you have any anger, feeling that you have to react, or you have some reactions, just close your eyes, put your attention on top of the head, and just say, Mother, please open my Vishuddhi chakra and remove all this aggressive feeling. Anywhere you can close your eyes and just put attention on top of that. That means you connect, then you will not be react, then you will save to reactions, then you will save to feel guilty. So just do it whenever you feel very aggressive. Kundalini, this motherly energy will help you. So now just put your right hand on your forehead. Just put down your head little bit downward, because this chakra is have the power of forgiveness. Without humble, you will not be forgive. And the important chakra is block, that you will not forgive, or you have conditioning about your religions, conditioning about your food, conditioning about your family, conditioning about your life, or what you learn from childhood. This is all type of conditioning you have. So you have to rid off this conditioning, then your left side will be open, and then you have to do opening your right side, that the ego. The egoistic person is dominating to other but will not be happy. Ego will become as a fear. If you don't have any fear, then ego will not be part of that. So just say, hey Mr. Ego, you are so great and I am so small. This body not for you. Please leave my body. And just say, Mother, please give me a good conditioning. Remove all the bad conditioning from me. The mantra for the chakra, you can say the keyword to open the chakra is that I forgive everyone, please forgive me. Here is the only two petals which is opening to your left side and the right side. And the color is the white. The white color is the peace, is the forgiveness, humble. Just put your attention on the forehead, put your hand on the lap. Just put attention on the forehead on both the hand. palm and just say, if you are not forgive anyone, just think of that person and just hug him or hug her from depth of heart with the love which is flowing through you now. Just do it and feel the vibrations in your hand. Or if you cannot, this person is very aggressive or demonic nature, you have to just forgive him. Then the divine will take care all the justice from you. Because you will not do anything for this person, but divine will take place, and after some time you can see the justice happen. This is the power of forgiveness. This is not that you forgive means he will be survive. If you forgive means he will reach to the this problem or this person reach to the divine, and divine will judge this person and give the punishment accordingly. You have to just watch and see this punishment will happen. You will surprise how the divine work. But our limited brain capacity, we think we will we will do this. We will take the all the justice in our hand. I will punish that person, but it's not possible. This is the way of divine. I'm telling you. If you have purity, you have the creativity, you have satisfaction and peace, you have no fear, and you become your own master. You are connected with this divine, protected by this divine. So why you worry to forgive everyone? Just forgive it. As per my experience, when people learn to forgive, the migraine problem will be resolved very fast. Because if you forgive, this chakra is called third eye to look inside is open, and all the thoughts from your left, from your right, or from your aggressions we store and full the capacity of your brain, and there is a new thoughts is coming, you will feel the pain in your head or forehead. This is the way of the migraine. If you open the door and thoughts are give off, and then you can feel the divine vibrations increasing, and you feel the migraine will be problem will be solved. As I work in the pharma industry they producing the migraine drugs, but they suggest please do meditation, relax yourself, forgive yourself. So see, medicine can be cure like a painkiller, but it will not remove your pain. How to remove your pain? Just forgive it. I forgive. I forgive. Say 100 times in a day when you have any aggressions or any reactions or any non unsatisfied feeling. Just say, I forgive this thought, I forgive this thought, I forgive this thought. Only say, not this, not this, not this. For this thought, it will not go inside your brain, it will go outside, and then you will be survive with these waves. This is the way you have to learn here. When there is a thoughts is coming which is not good for you, which is regarding your past or future, just say, not this time, not this thought, not this thought. It is not I am saying, it is described in the scripture, is 1,000 year backs in the Sanskrit, the Neti Neti Vachani. It's called not this thought. And this was this all the people who meditate longer in the Himalaya, they use this method when they want to go in the meditation. So same thing, when you have thoughts which is disturb you, close your eyes, put attention on top of the head, and just say not this, not this, not this thought. And slowly, slowly, you will learn that practice. Slowly, slowly, there is no problem. Your third eye is increased, third eye is open, and you can see inside. The God's third eye is open, the destruction will be happen. And our third eyes will be open, the construction will happen inside. This is the beauty of this chakra. But this chakra is very simple to open, just forgive it. And very difficult to open, those have ego. So you have to decide what to do. Just forgive it and just put your right hand on on your frontal bone area, which is a soft bone, your child, which is called Sahasrara chakra. Just massage it clockwise directions. This is the chakra of the integrations, which is called Sahasrara, means Sahasra means 1000 petals. So we have in brain 999 as per scientific language, but 1000 as per the spiritual. So this for 1000 veins of your brain will be enlightened. See that your light is so powerful that God can see you. So just want to try to increase the number of petals open with the beginning of the one. And if you open more than 50 or 60 petals, you will reach to the Yoga Samadhi. So just say, Mother, please open my Sahasrara completely. Just clockwise direction move it. Mother, please give me my self realization and establish me in my self realization throughout my meditation. Mother, please give me a permanent connection. It's called yoga, the union with the divine. Mother, I really know I am a powerful person and I know you are the source of my power. Please give me these permanent connections and make me as a divine instrument. Mother, I will I will give a promise that I want to become a purified innocent person. I want to become a creative person. I want to become my own master with complete satisfaction and peace. I am fearless person because I am connecting with this universe mother and I am not guilty. I am a part and parcel of this divine with collective way and I forgive everyone and you also forgive me. So please open my heart and connect me with this divine power and just put attention on the top of the head and move your hand at the bottom on the lap and just put attention there. See the peace and just watch your both the hand. See the vibrations. It depends on the your desire. It depends on your chakras opening, or it depends on your devotion of this divine, your faith on divine. You will feel more vibrations on your top of the head, and you can feel both flowing through your hand. This is called the vibration. This is called the Param Chaitanya. This is called the Ruh of Allah. This is called the power of Holy Ghost. See, you are sitting there, I am sitting here. How you feel relaxed. But the positive energy is very difficult to achieve. But negative energy is ready to give you. So you have to decide with your wisdom how to go further with this meditation. I definitely tell you, you will be achieve this meditation. Your family, job, all the problem will be resolved. If you achieve this meditation, your health issue will be resolved. If you achieve this meditation, you live your further life in the joyous way. But initial path is very difficult. You can say the 1 year, you have to establish in this meditation. Because if you leave the negative forces make very strong to stop you because of the time, because of all the illusion problems, and the positive energy want that you want to resolve this problem at the initial stage, and slowly positive energy increasing, negative energies go down, and you will be connected to the divine protecting. I will just say one Sanskrit shlok, or can say the mantra here, which is say that this is a peace establish myself. Please continue and to establish throughout the word. Put attention on the top of the head and just watch. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. So we'll meditate and we'll hear the talk from this founder of the Sahaja Yoga. She will tell you what will be happen in the meditation. Just watch yourself. You can feel you can get answer from this because whatever I told now, it's the source from this talk. I am just instrument. So I have to connect you all people to the source. Then you also become a divine instrument. So we can meditate 2 minutes. Meanwhile, the talk will be play.
It's a very, very great day today, I should say, where the evil has been suppressed. The evil that spreads its power all over is only because of two factors. One is that you are not knowledgeable. You are still blind. And you follow things which are not right, but you think are powerful. This illusion creates not only problems, but absolute destruction. So we faced a very big challenge, no doubt. And it was easily solved. It was based on all wrong bases, just to create a problem. Problem was created with a purpose. And nobody could imagine that it would be solved so easily and so quickly. My desire was to get over it before Diwali. That has happened. Due to ignorance also, people do lots of things. Anybody who follows some religion or some sort of thing, it's only because they are not aware of the truth. They are ignorant about achieving the truth. And they cling on to the fact that they know everything. With all this happening, there have been so many fractions, so many stupid people who are getting completely ruined by ignorance. Now we're coming to Sahaja Yoga. You know all the knowledge, very subtle knowledge, very subtle. It's not superficial knowledge. It is very subtle. And because they don't know this subtle knowledge, they fall into the wrong path of, I should say, ignorance, and then they try to oppose the people who are doing good. But above all is the power of God. All this drama is played to prove the existence of that great power. It has all worked out so well. And for all of you Sahajogis, it's a very great achievement that you can see the play. Many people who have achieved so-called success cannot see that. But you can see it because you are spectators. Though all the world is a part and parcel of the drama, you are outside and you can see it so clearly. Whatever has happened, nobody could have believed that would finish before Diwali. So it goes like this, the stupidity which is being created. And we also sometimes think that this kind of stupid thing will impress others. Impression is not the point. If you see, among all these people who have lost, what impression have they created? They were there to create a great impression on you, to show as if they were great warriors and fighters. Well, what impression they have created? Whether you are a realized soul or not, they can see that it's a miracle. It's a miracle how things have worked out. Now, the new phase has started. You all have a very, very open challenge to get people into enlightenment. People are not so ignorant now. They are not so much blasted. Moreover, I find them very much changed. Their attitude towards truth has changed. And they understand there is truth beyond all this that they have known. It's very important, because if a human being starts thinking this is the truth, he just gets stuck up. At any cost, whatever may happen, he'll go on sticking to that. He won't be able even to verify whether it is the truth or not. Animals can. How? Because they have got innate capacity to smell the evil. Innate. We cannot. Human beings cannot. If there's an evil man, a dog will bark at him. Otherwise, he'll go and throw him down. He'll do everything which is not normally done. How is it? He has developed this capacity to find out who is a thief and who is not. We have a higher awareness. We think about many things which animals cannot think. We understand many things which animals cannot understand. We cook our food, they don't. But also sometimes I think we cook our brains. Because the way people behave and try to avoid the truth with their ego is surprising. All this happening is a drama, as I told you, but you better study it properly and apply it to yourself and see if you are also a part and parcel of that drama. For that, you have to rise higher. You have to rise higher. Higher above your ego and your superego, your conditioning. And from there to watch yourself and see yourself. What is this? Why am I doing such a thing? Why my attention is like that? What is the main reason for my own possession, I should say, or my own misunderstandings? Why do I accept wrong things? Once you'll start seeing that, and if you find even a wee bit of such nonsensical understanding within you, then you can forgive also people who have been absolutely brainwashed. Absolutely brainwashed. And they did everything under that influence. As it is now, you have risen much higher than all these people and much more aware than all of them. So you have to just understand this point, and then you can forgive all the mistakes they have committed. And for the people who are actually bad, you don't have to worry. That's the work of the divine power to destroy them. But watch yourself and see for yourself if you have any of such ideas, any lingering idea. You try to cleanse the mirror. So you see your complete image and try, you can then try to cleanse it. It's very important that you should cleanse yourself. There are people who have done lots of wrong things. I simply pity them. If they have done wrong thing, it is their responsibility to see what they have been doing. Why have they been doing that? What is the need to do that? All this introspection will work out so well, then your real powers will come. Your powers of giving realization, your powers to understand the problems of your country or the whole world. And once you feel that you are the soldier to fight it out, you have the responsibility to fight it out, then things will work out. We cannot leave everything to the divine power. You have to use the divine power, and you have to work it out because you are the soldiers of divine power. Of course, with that beautiful idea, we start cleansing ourselves. You need not know everything as to what things are happening and how they are happening, how they are working. That's not your work. You are a soldier. So you have to just fight. Fight the ignorance, your own and of others. Because mostly soldiers fail when they have their egos. When they fail, they have other obstacles in their minds. There should be no obstacle, but you should just push forward and know there's no obstacle at all. It's just a myth that there are some obstacles and that you cannot do it. It's not easy to raise the awareness of people because there's a very little distance of crossing over. But it's not so. It's not. It is a very difficult task sometimes. for some people to get out of the bandhans of Agya. At that point, I find some of you failing. And for that, best thing is to introspect. When you think you are always correct and you are all right, it's best is to introspect. Am I doing everything right or wrong? How am I working for my betterment? The illusion is such that sometimes you think you are doing well. Say in our Sahaja Yoga, some people are very forward type, they'll come forward, they'll do this, do that. But inside, what is the purpose? The purpose is that people should see that you are doing this work, that work. The purpose should be that you should be able to see yourself within. You must see what is the problem inside. And you can very well understand that you have been of great help to yourself and to others. For example, there's a very big building, and all the buildings in the nearby area may fall down due to earthquake. But this one building which will be standing erect, the reason is that that building is constructed on very solid grounds. In the same way, if Sahaja Yoga is constructed on a very sound wall, nobody can destroy it. Nobody can distort it. And every person has to do that. For example, some people told me your Sahaja Yogis, are like this and that.
So now we will meditate with music for 3 to 4 minutes. Just put attention on top of the head. Just introspect. Just see yourself. Commit yourself that I will not be repeat that mistake. And not feel guilty also. It's very important. Just watch it and change your nature through this introspection for 3 to 4 minutes with music. So now it's the finish of our meditation. So just put our close our eyes, attention on top of the head. Just say thanks to this our energy, our motherly energy, or our mother. Thank you, mother, to teach us, guide us, and remove all the blockages from my subtle system. Give me a joy, peaceful, the divine love throughout this session. So I will be following my life to introspect myself, to clear myself without feeling guilty. And I have changed my personality as a different, as a strong, loving, humble person. Thank you very much. So we just raise our Kundalini and take Bandhan. So just put your right hand, left hand in front of your spine. Just make my video. And just move your right hand across your left hand and just move your hand like this and just have a knot on top of the head. So we will do this for first knot, first channel, then we will do for second channel is called Ida and then second is Pingala. Two knots top of the head. This is the protection called Bandhan for our positive energy. Then third time for our third channel, three knots. You can see maybe strongly three knots on top of the protection of our channels. Then we will do our hand, the rainbow throughout our body 7 times for. So this turn, Nabhi, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agna, Sahasrara. So this is the way we can start meditation. And just use these meditations, have your own experience, and just collect your pure knowledge. This Kundalini or Sri Mataji is there to help you all. So as I told you, you have to do this meditation at least 6 months continuously, then you can see the changes. We have a lot of experience. I will not tell for today's session all the experience, will take more time. But the experience is very constructive way, very positive way, and is a free of cost. So I just say you have to remove all these problems, and we have a Facebook session which is always in the 4 times in a week. There we can have different session, recorded session also there. You can just join the group. We will send this link. Join this meditation group. You will get white pop and they can simply join, which started half an hour before. Our session is and it will be 10:30, I think. And talk will share. Uh, uh, we can share talk link on the chat. So just want to tell you, when we start sessions in Africa group, I last sessions. So thank you in full sessions. So it's not we cannot say join as a mandatory. It's always only may statement last session try to join. Otherwise, and if you have a desire, then you can. It's very full. If you just look outside time and look at it, change, your life will be changed completely. So I saw a lot of miracles in the people's life. So I cannot say, I cannot do marketing here, but really it's make change in your life. And I can't believe it, how the lives are simple and very joyous. So maybe we have another session. But Maria is from Germany, so we have a Germany also lot of sessions, English, German. So you can also part of our session. We have Facebook group also in Germany. So I will also send you link about the Facebook group. And Julia is there. So if you have any question or if you want to say something, this time is yours. So you can, yeah. Or Vaibhav, you want to say some closing speech?
I'll just say thank you, Rajesh, and thank you everyone else for joining and staying on with us for these 7 week sessions. Please feel free to continue to meditate by yourself, and I have shared some links to the websites. There's the Australian website freemeditation.com.au. It has a lot of resources in terms of music, guided meditations, simple techniques to clear yourself and your subtle system, and many audio and video podcasts that you can watch to further your spiritual journey and growth. So please feel free to go to the website freemeditation.com.au, or please feel free to send us an email if you have any questions on info@freemeditation.com.au. And yeah, all the best with your spiritual journey. We hope to see you there. And thanks once again, a big thanks to Rajesh for conducting this series. And thank you, Julia and Maria, for joining us today.
Okay. Julia, you want to say something?
I'm just having a bit of trouble with working out all the buttons and everything, but I trust you can hear me, yes?
Yes, we can.
Oh, good. No, I didn't really want to say anything in particular. I'm just feeling quite peaceful and grateful. Vaibhav, I missed the link to the talk and I wouldn't even know how to save it on this Zoom process. So if you wouldn't mind, maybe just message it to me at some point. That would be great. Yeah, we look forward to meditating with you again, Rajesh, maybe on Facebook next time. Always a pleasure. And Vaibhav, thank you so much for organizing.